Alright, back in the master bedroom. So far, they got shower. Let me turn this on. You put in a shower handles. Put our sinks in today. And our toilet. Yeah. Come out here. Still haven't done nothing in the game room or the stairs. But they put in insulation in the attic up there. Kids' bathroom, they put their sink in, handles and all that. And also, they put in the hot water heater, so that's in here. Then we'll go downstairs and show what else they did. All right, we're downstairs, going to the office. Have the office stuff. Got the toilet, but they can't put it in yet. They gotta do some more concrete around there to make it level. But they're ready for the sink and all that. Still waiting on floors, that should be next. We come in the living room, dining room, the kitchen, countertops. Our sink, faucet they put in today. And that's it. The countertops came in some last week, some came this week. And now just waiting on breaking floors, and we should be almost finished after that. We'll see. They got time. So we have 6 weeks. But I really do like this sink. I like the handle for the dishes. Super nice. All right, until next time.